Hi students, good morning all of you. In last lecture, we discussed about how you balance the equation. We again revise the topic, that is a balanced equation is what? The chemical equation in which number of atom on each sides are equal on both side of reactant and product. Already told C plus O2 CO2. This side also one carbon, this side also two oxygen already balanced. So balanced equation is that in which the atoms of each elements are equal on both sides, reactant side also and a product side also. Same like the law of conservation of mass. Mass neither be created nor be destroyed. Mass of reactant is equal to mass of product. So that's why the law this was given by the Antoine Lavoisier. Antoine Lavoisier, father of chemistry. So keep in mind, to do this you have to balance the equation first of all. Then law of conservation of mass hold. Yes. This was the skeleton equation or unbalanced equation. Skeleton equation is that in which number of atom on reactant and both sides are not equal. And afterward you have to balance it. Then you get the balanced equation. Yes. Self-balanced equation which was already balanced. The equation already balanced. This equation already balanced. That was already number of reactant is equal to number of product. If you want to see how, what is the reason behind to do balance? Yes. For example, H2 plus O2. That gives us H2. If you count the mass here, 1 gram into 2 and here 16 gram. Oxygen mass is 16 gram into 2. Yes, add there. 2 plus 32, that is a 34 gram. And here 1 for oxygen into 2 plus oxygen is a 16. 18 gram. Not equal. But according to law of conservation of mass, mass of reactant is always equal to the mass of a product. Then first of all balance, then you try to find out their mass. Yes, see there. Hydrogen 2, hydrogen 2. Oxygen 2, oxygen 1. So multiply with 2. Then hydrogen is 4 now. Oxygen 2, oxygen 2. Then multiply with. Now balance. Now check the mass. Yes, see. Now check the mass. 2, 1 into 2. Because mass is 1 gram into 2. In front of 2 is there. That's why you multiply with the 2. Here 16 into 2. 32. Yes, here 2. Then 1 for hydrogen 2. And 16. Yes, 2, that is a 18, that is a 36. And here is a 4 gram and here 32 gram. So 36. So mass of a reactant side is equal to mass of product. That is only hold when you balance the equation. Yes. Now we discuss about the types of reactions. Different types of reactions. See. Type of chemical reactions. Yes, first one is a combination reaction. Yes, combination reaction. Yes, word C word, that is a combine. When two or more elements or compound combine each other. Yes, see the word combine. Combine means combination. Combine each other. And that gives one product. Yes, when two or more elements combine each other, that combine and that give one product, that is called one product or compound, that is called combination reaction. Is called combination reaction. Very easy, combination, combine. For example, C plus O2, here two reactant combine each other. That form CO2, one product only, that is called combination reaction. Lot of reactions are there. Yes, C one by one. Yes, first reaction like this already told, C plus O2, CO2. Yes, already balanced also. Second reaction, when H2 react with the chlorine, this is the formation of hydrochloric acid, HCl. Now this is also example of combination reaction. Two reactants combine each other, give us one product. Yes, here the hydrogen 2, here chlorine. First of all, balance that equation which have the more atomic number and mass. Yes, here chlorine 2, chlorine 1. So you multiply with the 2. Yes, when you multiply with 2, chlorine 2, but hydrogen 2, here hydrogen 2, balanced. Yes, very nicely. This is the second reaction. Yes, third reaction, Haber's process. Ammonia. Yes, formation of reversible reaction. Ammonia. Here nitrogen 2, here nitrogen 1. So you multiply with the 2. That is 1 into 2, 2, 2. Here hydrogen is 3 into 2, 6. But here is a 2. So multiply with the 3. Now balanced. Yes, any other example? Any other example? Iron plus sulfur. That gives us iron sulfide. Iron sulfide, already told. Ferrous. And sulfide is no, cut it, FeS. Iron sulfide. That is a ferrous sulfide. That is a ferrous sulfide. Very easy reaction. Yes, iron sulfide. Yeah, ferrous oxide, sulfide. That is it. Yes, next. Any other reaction? Yes, that is a combination reaction already told to you. Yes, photosynthesis also. Yeah, respiration reaction also. See there. CO2. Yes. CO2. First of all, we do the carbonic acid. Yes. CO2 plus water. Any metal oxide when react with water. This is the general reaction. Keep in mind. Already told. Metal oxide with water give us base. But non-metal oxide plus water give us that is a acid. Keep in mind. So CO2 is a non-metal oxide and water that gives us carbonic acid. How? See. Keep in mind, when you add carbon dioxide in any reaction, it becomes carbonate. Or when you heat the carbonate, it always gives the CO2 reaction, CO2 gas. So you write carbonate and water, you know, H positive, OH negative. इसका positive इसके negative के साथ react, yes. So you know H1 positive and CO3 2 negative crisscross method get the carbonic acid. This is the way to how to find out the reaction. Already told. Last time we do an atomic structure. Already told to you. Yes, see, this was the balanced or not. How many element? Carbon, oxygen and hydrogen. First of all, see carbon. One carbon, one carbon. Yes, already balanced. Two and one oxygen, three oxygen, three oxygen. See. One carbon, already balanced. Self-balanced reaction. Self-balanced reaction. Yes, any other example? Any lot of examples are there. Yes. S plus O2, SO2. Sulfur dioxide balanced. 1, 1, 2, 2. Already balanced. Yes. Any other example also? If you want to check. Yes. See. Any another example of combination reaction? Hanji. Na plus Cl2. That is a NaCl salt. This is also combination reaction. A lot of other examples also for the combination reaction. When two or more reactants combine each other, give us one product, that is called a combination reaction. A very easy reaction. Another example if you want to do for combination reaction, already told, calcium oxide plus water. That is a quicklime. Quicklime. Yes. Quicklime. When quicklime react with it, quicklime is a tuna. When you put in water, it start boiling because of reaction is a exothermic reaction. A reaction in which energy is released, that is called exothermic reaction. Already told to you, when metal oxide when react with water, give us base. or non-metal react with oxide water, that give us a acid. So here you calcium, already told the base is a hydroxide form, calcium hydroxide form. So calcium hydroxide here how? CaOH twice. Calcium hydroxide. Very easy reaction. Is it a balance or not? See there. Calcium 1, calcium 1. Hydrogen 2. 1 here, 1 into 2, 2. Oxygen 2 here, 1, 1, 2. Already balance. So student, this is the combination reaction, a very easy reaction. In next lecture we discuss about the decomposition reaction. Thank you.